everyone, welcome back to Sawyer Ridge Farm. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be in the kitchen with my little sister Leah. She's helping me out. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I had her come over and she's helping me get the house ready. We're hosting it at our house this year. So she's been helping me clean the house and get ready for Thanksgiving tomorrow, and today we're going to be making deviled eggs for Thanksgiving, so she's going to be helping me with that. So today we're going to be using some of our farm fresh eggs, and if you guys have ever tried hard boiling farm fresh eggs before, you know the struggle with peeling them. They can be a pain in the butt sometimes. So I think I have a trick though to show you guys the easiest way to peel farm fresh eggs. No hassle, super easy. I think I've got it down pat, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. But first, we need a pretty large stock pot. We have 18 eggs here. We'll be making about 18 deviled eggs. So you need a large stock pot that they can all fit in. You kind of want them to be just a single layer. You don't want to start stacking them in the pot. But coming over here to the sink, we're going to get these eggs washed up and get them on the stove. Alright, so first we got to wash the eggs, and I'm going to show you guys that process. Pretty easy. You want to wash them with like lukewarm water, not cold or hot, but lukewarm water. Alright, so now that we have the eggs washed, all we have to do is fill it up, and you want to fill it up to about an inch above the eggs. Be sure and fill it up with about lukewarm water, not hot or cold, just lukewarm. Alright, now Leah's going to put them on the stove. And there we go. Alright, so now that we have the eggs on the stove, we're going to wait for them to get up to a rolling boil, and then we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes. But you don't set your timer until they start boiling. And I'll show you guys that when they get to that part. Alright, so the secret ingredient to make these easier to peel is baking soda. So what you're going to do is, Leah, show the eggs. So right now they're just coming up to a boil. What you're going to do is dump in a little bit of this. Not much, just a little. Kind of stir it in. And just that right there alone makes them so much easier to peel. So at this point, I would consider this a rolling boil. And I'm going to go ahead and start my timer for 10 minutes. And once that timer is done, I'll show you the next step in the process. So while the eggs are boiling, the next step in the process is once the eggs are done boiling, you're going to soak them in an ice bath just immediately after they're done boiling. So while those eggs are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and fill this bucket of ice and just get it prepped and ready for when those are done. You're going to want quite a bit of ice because these eggs are hot and they will melt it pretty fast. Alright, now they're done boiling. It's been 10 minutes. And Leah's going to scoop these out into our ice water bath right here. And what this does right here, this ice water, it rapidly cools the egg and it helps the shell separate from the egg. It makes them a lot easier to peel. So she's going to get all those in there, and once she gets them all in there, we're going to let them sit in that ice water bath for probably 10 or 15 minutes, just to make sure that the eggs are completely cooled. Alright, so now that the eggs are completely cooled down, we've had them sitting in this ice water for about 10 minutes or so. I like to get a mason jar, and a wide mouth works best for me. What you're going to do is just put the egg in the mason jar and give it a good shake. And the peel basically just falls off, just like that. Sometimes you don't even have to peel the egg, it just falls off. You rinse the egg off. And it's that simple. Just keep going. I mean, the baking soda really does the trick. The baking soda the ice water and this glass jar, I mean, all of them in conjunction, they really help peel farm fresh eggs. So I'm going to get these all done, and we'll show you guys after that. There you go. Look how easy that peels. Alright, so we got all the eggs peeled up. That took no time at all. Like I said, you guys, the baking soda, that's the trick right there. If you're ever wanting to peel your farm fresh eggs, just dump a little bit of that into your boiling water, and when it's all done, you put them in the ice water bath. Then use your mason jar and just give them a good shake, and the eggshells just peel off like nothing. So that's where we're going to end it for today. We thank you guys for watching. So if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button, and be sure and subscribe to our channel so you get all of our video notifications. And if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments and we'll be glad to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and God bless. Okay, there we go. That's more like it. Trust me, I'm gonna mess up several times, so don't worry. So here we are, we got our eggs and our pot. Do you want to say anything? No. Turn the burner on. Turn it on high. Don't pull the house down.
I knew I was going to do the wrong one.
The baking soda. What?
No. Becky, why'd you stop?
What were you doing?
I was just so satisfied how that did that.
By the way, guys,
I can talk.
she might not have said a single word the whole video. She's a little camera shy, but she can talk. And she's been a great helper, so be sure and give Leah a thumbs up for helping me today. And anyways, take care, guys. Bye.